International business refers to the exchange of goods, services, and capital across national borders. In an increasingly interconnected world, the significance of international business has grown tremendously, shaping economic relationships, cultural exchanges, and global markets. This video explores the fundamental concepts of international business, its drivers and challenges, the various modes of entry into foreign markets, and the impact of globalization on business practices and strategies. At its core, international business involves the operations of companies in multiple countries, encompassing a wide range of activities such as exporting, importing, foreign direct investment, and joint ventures. The primary objective of international business is to expand market reach, diversify revenue sources, and tap into new opportunities for growth. Engaging in international business allows companies to access new customer bases, leverage competitive advantages, and enhance their overall profitability. Several key drivers have contributed to the growth of international business. One of the most significant factors is globalization, which refers to the increasing interconnectedness of economies, cultures, and societies worldwide. Advances in technology, transportation, and communication have facilitated the movement of goods, services, and information across borders, enabling businesses to operate on a global scale. The reduction of trade barriers, such as tariffs and quotas, has also played a crucial role in promoting international trade, making it easier for companies to enter foreign markets. Another driver of international business is the pursuit of competitive advantage. Companies seek to leverage their unique capabilities, resources, and expertise to differentiate themselves in the global marketplace. This may involve sourcing raw materials from countries with lower production costs, utilizing advanced technologies developed in other regions, or capitalizing on the specialized skills of a global workforce. By strategically positioning themselves in international markets, businesses can enhance their competitiveness and drive innovation. However, engaging in international business also presents a range of challenges. One of the most significant challenges is navigating the complexities of different legal and regulatory environments. Each country has its own legal framework, trade policies, and compliance requirements, which can vary significantly from one market to another. Businesses must conduct thorough research and due diligence to understand the legal implications of operating in foreign markets and ensure compliance with local laws. Cultural differences also pose challenges for international business. Understanding the cultural norms, values, and business practices of different countries is crucial for building successful relationships with customers, partners, and employees. Misunderstandings or miscommunications arising from cultural differences can lead to conflicts, damaged relationships, and lost opportunities. Organizations must invest in cultural awareness training and develop strategies for effective cross-cultural communication to navigate these challenges successfully. When entering foreign markets, companies have several modes of entry to choose from, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. Common modes of entry include exporting, licensing, franchising, joint ventures, and foreign direct investment, FDI. 1. Exporting. This is one of the simplest and most common methods of entering foreign markets. Companies produce goods in their home country and sell them to customers in other countries. Exporting allows businesses to test foreign markets with relatively low risk and investment. 2. Licensing. In a licensing arrangement, a company grants permission to a foreign entity to use its intellectual property, brand, or technology in exchange for royalties or fees. Licensing allows businesses to expand their market presence without significant capital investment but may limit control over brand management and quality. 3. Franchising. Similar to licensing, franchising involves granting a foreign entity the right to operate a business using the franchisor's brand and business model. Franchising is commonly used in industries such as fast food and retail, allowing companies to expand rapidly while leveraging local knowledge and resources. 4. Joint ventures. A joint venture involves partnering with a local company to establish a new business entity. This approach allows companies to combine resources, share risks, and benefit from the local partner's market knowledge. Joint ventures can be particularly advantageous in markets with strict regulations or cultural barriers. 5. Foreign direct investment, FDI. FDI involves establishing a physical presence in a foreign market by acquiring or building facilities. This mode of entry provides companies with greater control over operations and allows them to fully integrate into the local market. However, FDI requires significant capital investment and carries higher risks compared to other entry modes. The impact of globalization on international business is profound. Globalization has led to the emergence of multinational corporations, MNCs, that operate in multiple countries, driving economic growth and job creation. MNCs leverage their global reach to optimize supply chains, reduce costs, and access diverse markets. Additionally, globalization has facilitated the exchange of ideas, technologies, and cultural influences, fostering innovation and collaboration across borders. However, globalization has also raised concerns about economic inequality, environmental sustainability, and cultural homogenization. Critics argue that the pursuit of profit by multinational corporations can lead to exploitation of labor, environmental degradation, and the erosion of local cultures. As a result, there is a growing emphasis on corporate social responsibility, CSR, and sustainable business practices in the context of international business. Companies are increasingly expected to consider the social and environmental implications of their operations and contribute positively to the communities in which they operate. In conclusion, international business plays a vital role in the global economy, facilitating trade, investment, and cultural exchange across borders. The growth of international business is driven by globalization, the pursuit of competitive advantage, and advancements in technology and communication. While engaging in international business presents numerous opportunities for growth and innovation, it also poses challenges related to legal compliance, cultural differences, and ethical considerations. By understanding the complexities of international markets and adopting effective strategies for entry and operation, organizations can navigate the global landscape successfully. As the world continues to evolve, the importance of international business will only increase, shaping the future of commerce and collaboration on a global scale.